started.
Ooh, hello! See how my garden grows? The water and something. I don't know why. I started that too wrong. Look at here. It's cantaloupe. We just give him a little douse of water because they're kind of wet already. And this is my, boy, if I knew what I was planting, that'd be great, wouldn't it? That's cantaloupe. That's pumpkins. It's radishes, yeah. And I actually have radishes. I think I done said that, but I'm really excited about having radishes. So, that's how my garden grows. Get him, Peppa. Get him, Peppa. We're going. Let me show you what I've done this morning. Thank goodness all my sunflowers are now in pots. That's all sunflowers right there. Right there. That's all sunflowers. That's cucumbers. That's, what's that? Cantaloupe. That's pumpkins. These are my radishes, which actually have radishes on them. All that is, because I looked when I was replanting them. That's peppers. I just got those peppers replanted this morning. Those, you know my, will it grow tomatoes? Yes, they will. And my, squash, which has a squash. Yeah. Oh, and look at those beautiful, beautiful buddings. Look at that. They're beautiful. And my pintos, which are blooming pintos. And attach it. And then there's always the sugar and the pepper. Sugar. Are you sweet, Sugar? Are you sweet? Are you sweet? Pepper, are you hot? Are you hot, Pepper? Hey, Sugar, Pepper. Okay. And, you know, Frank. And...
Well, you got excited about that one, didn't you?
Yeah, I did. Anywho, let me back up and show you how big my garden has grown. I don't know if I can get this all in one shot without going to my neighbor's house. That's, I think I got it all. That's how my garden grows. In pots, all in a row. Have a great day.